I'm Andrea, my live bookkeeper. I'm an advanced certified QuickBooks expert with over 20 years of bookkeeping and accounting experience. Various transaction types. There are 4 main ways to enter transactions from the Various Transactions tab in the left navigation bar: banking, sales, expenses, and accounting. And for those QuickBooks Plus and advanced users who are using projects, there's a 5th way. Click Banking. This opens the Banking Center. If you have connected your bank and/or credit card accounts to QuickBooks, you'll see those accounts listed across the top of the page, as well as a list of transactions that need to be either matched or added to QuickBooks. Click Sales in the left navigation bar, then All Sales to open the Sales Center, where there is a sales money bar that shows potential revenue, unpaid or overdue invoices, and what has been paid in the last 30 days. Opposed to the Customer Center, which shows a customer list, the Sales Center shows a list of transactions that can be filtered. New transactions can be easily added from the top right corner of the screen by clicking New Transaction. The Action column shows suggested next steps, as well as other choices related to that transaction in the drop-down menu. As in the other centers, you can check multiple transactions and perform batch actions, sending or sending. Click Expenses in the left navigation bar, then Expenses to see a list of recent expense transactions, which, like the other centers, can easily be filtered. Click a transaction in the list to open the transaction. The types of transactions that can be entered from here are bills, expenses, checks, purchase orders, vendor credits, and pay down credit card. You can also print checks from this screen. Click Accounting in the left navigation bar, then Chart of Accounts to see the list of general ledger accounts. You can double-click the account or select View Register to open the register for any balance sheet account except for retained earnings. If you click the drop-down next to Add Check, you can add many types of transactions that affect a bank account, including check, deposit, sales receipt, receive payment, bill payment, refund, expense, transfer, and journal entry. The types of transactions available from the drop-down will vary depending on the type of balance sheet account being viewed in the register. Back in the Chart of Accounts, if you click the drop-down next to View Register, you can edit the account, make the account inactive, or run an account quick report. If the Projects feature in QuickBooks Plus and Advanced is being used, you can launch transactions related to a project from the Projects area of the left navigation bar. If there are no pre-existing projects, click Start a Project. If there are pre-existing projects and you wish to add one, click New Project. If you wish to add a transaction to a pre-existing project, click the project name in the list of projects, then click Add to Project. You can add any of the following transactions to the chosen project: invoice, receive payment, expense, estimate, time entry, bill, and purchase order. There is one other place, the most central place of all, to launch all transactions. The new icon is at the top of the left navigation bar. This is your one-stop shop for creating new transactions. I'm Andrea, my live bookkeeper. Check the description box below for special offers and links, including one to the free QuickBooks Online test drive account. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, or share.